Tammy, how much do you like saltfish fritters?
10 out of 10 in that.
Hey guys, welcome to Marie Lee Cuisine. This is Marie Lee, of course, and today I will be making saltfish fritters, Jamaican style. I will be walking you through the step-by-step process of how to create this delicious meal. It should take you no more than 20 minutes. And guess what? You should already have all the ingredients in your refrigerator because it's super easy, super quick, and very tasty. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and drop some comments down below because that will help me to make engaging content just for you.
Very simple ingredients. This is all you need in addition to some dry seasoning. This is the finished product, guys. Look at it. You certainly don't want to miss this. Stick around for the full step-by-step preparation on how to make this delicious dish. I'll start off by boiling the saltfish. Now that the saltfish is out of the way, I'm chopping my onions. You want to do the same thing for your bell peppers, and when you're doing that, you want to make sure that you dice them as small as possible. The technique that really works for this is small dicing, so be patient with yourself, just dice them as small as you can. I will be combining everything you see here in the mixture, but first I will be starting with the dry seasoning. After you have added all your ingredients, you want to add some water now, and then you want to mix it. So just keep mixing until you reach a certain consistency, and this is what it should look like. Be sure to preheat your frying pan on medium. Then you want to make sure you add your olive oil, and then add your mixture. You could do a single spoon per fritter, or you could do 2 spoons or even 3 spoons. I'm doing 2 spoons today because I'm going for some medium fritters. These fritters, they do not take a long time to cook. First, what you want to do is to give them 5 to 7 minutes on the first side. Then you flip them over, give them another 5 to 7 minutes. And then really, you should be seeing that nice color that you're looking for. But if you're the person who really likes more crunchy fritters, just give them another 2 minutes on each side. And then afterwards, they should be ready to be removed from the pan and ready to be served. This is the finished product. If you like what you see, drop some comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any one of our new videos.